Hello everyone, welcome back to Amma and Daughter channel. In today's video, we'll be seeing how to make restaurant style egg fried rice. This is an easy recipe that anybody can try. Let's look into the ingredients required. You will need 3 eggs, 1 carrot, 5 to 6 beans, 2 garlic, a teaspoon of ginger, half an onion or 1 small onion, 1 green chilli and some coriander leaves. For this recipe, I'll be using 1 cup of basmati rice. Soak the rice in water for about an hour. After letting the rice soak in water for an hour, add the rice to the boiling water along with half teaspoon of oil or ghee and some salt. Once the water starts boiling again, cook the rice for about 6 minutes and strain out the water immediately. Spread it out evenly on a plate or another vessel and let the rice cool down. Add some oil to the kadai depending upon how many eggs you're using and make some scrambled eggs. Add some more oil to the kadai and add the chopped ginger and garlic and green chilies. Now add the chopped onion along with some salt. Add the rest of the vegetables and saute the veggies until they are half cooked. Add a teaspoon of soya sauce and the scrambled eggs that you have prepared before. Add the cooked rice and mix everything together. Now, add some pepper and spring onion or coriander leaves for garnish. Simple and easy restaurant style fried rice is now ready. Until then, it's bye bye from Amma and daughter.